Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello helper. Friends, my name is Vijay and today I'm going to show you how to use sorting. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can alphabetize your first name, last name, and how you can lower to high number sorting into this video. So friend, keep watching. In this video we will see how we can use sort and filters. So friend, let's see how we can do that. So friend, here you can see this is my first name, last name column, and this is my employee ID, address, and pin code. So right now I'm going to do this is alphabetize A to Z. So how we can do that, let's see. So friend, first of all you just select the cell or select the column which you want to do the filter. Okay, so select this one and then after click on this data tab. So whenever you click here, then you can see this is the sort and filter section, and here you can see many things are available. So first of all we are going to do A to Z filter. Okay, just click on that, so you will get the option to expand the selection. Okay, then click on this sort, so you will see these complete records are sorted by A to Z. Okay, and if you want to do Z to A, then what you will do, simply select this column and then click on this icon Z to A, that is called highest to lowest. Okay, so click over here and again click here, so your name will sorted by Z to A. Okay, so now the second method I'm going to show you how you can easily sorting number from lowest to high and high to low. Okay, so what you will do, simply select this column and then click here. Okay, and then again click here, so you will get one pop-up box. Okay, and here you will get the labels. Here you can see whenever you click the drop down box, so you will get the complete heading. Okay, I want to sorting the number of employee ID from lower to high, so I'm going to select this one and you can see cell values. These options are available. If maybe you have any color or something, then you can sort it by the color part, but here we just want to sorting by values. Okay, so select the cell values and then order in what you want to do. Here just click this drop down and you will get the options. So here I want to smallest to largest. Okay, just click OK button and you can see, friend, this column is sorted by the lowest amount to high amount. Okay, and here you can see complete data is filtered now. Okay, and right now I'm going to show you the third method how you can do the filter. Okay, just simply select the complete record which you want to filter. Here first name I want to do alphabetize, second I want to do with the alphabetize, and third option I want to add highest number. Okay, these three filters I will use into this sorting. Okay, just simply click on this data tab, okay, which is available on menu, and then click on this icon. Okay, and whenever you click here you will get the sort pop-up box. Okay, here I'm going to add the label. For example, this is my first name, and values I'm going to add A to Z. That is fine. Right now I'm going to add second label. My last name will the same thing, A to Z I want it. Okay, I'm going to add the third label. Third label you can see this is my employee ID, and here I want the highest number. Okay, so these three labels I want to do, and whenever I click here, so friend, you can see alphabetize, this is my A, this is R, and here you can see the largest number to do like that. Okay, So friend, this is 3 conditional you can add and do the filter. Okay, and here I'm going to remove these things. Then what you will do, simply delete the labels, and simply I'm going to add A to Z and then click OK. So friend, this is the record. I have done it to this. And for example, if you want to sort it by this number, so what you will do, simply click this column and then click here, and automatically it will select expand and section. Then click sort it, and here select the pin code, and then value will largest to small. So you can see these records are sorted by the largest number to smallest number. So friend, this is the tutorial I want to share with you guys, how you can use sorting things into Excel. Here I am showing you 3 methods to do like that, and if you want to do these things, then you can use this tutorial and use the method, so it will help you. So friend, I think you like this video. If you like this video, click on this like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. And friend, if you're coming first time on this channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel, because I'm uploading this type of tutorials every day, so you will learn something new. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me.